Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how I made this little fish in this little like bag. Look how cute he is. Bit of a random one, but I like the concept of it. So if you want to see how I made this little guy, then just keep on watching. So in order to make the little fishy guy, which by the way I have called Bobby because he is so cute, he just looks like little Bobby to me. Oh my goodness, I just can't get over him. I kind of wish I didn't put him in the bag now, but I'm gonna have to make him some polymer clay little twins because it's just so cute. So anyway, I took some foam clay in this like orangey Cheeto colour. I thought it looked like a little Cheeto. I was gonna make a Cheeto, and then a fish came into my mind. I was like, okay, this is the time where I need to make that DIY that I've been dying to make for the longest time. So I made this like teardrop shape, cut the bottom of it, and then just fanned it out to make the little kind of tail of the fish, and then I added 2 little dots to the top to make the eyeballs, and then 2 little fins. I left this to dry for around about 2 to 3 days. Foam clay takes forever to dry, okay, but then I painted those little balls on the head with acrylic paint, just painting them white, put some dots in. I felt it looked like a little bit of a chameleon, so I did make those dots bigger and painted on a mouth in between. Then taking the little foam fish, once its paint had dried, I covered it in kind of like what's this stuff called? I think it's called like UV resin builder gel. Like, it's for your nails to create 3D nail art, but you can just use it as kind of like clay. It's apparently safe for skin touch. I'd probably recommend using like gloves, but the gloves that I have it sticks to, so I just went ahead and used it without the gloves. It does say it's safe for skin like touching, but I don't know how true that is, so I'm not going to advise anyone else to do that. I'd advise you to find some gloves that it doesn't stick to and then do that. But yeah, I covered the whole fish in the kind of UV gel clay stuff, and then I kind of like pinched it to the top, like I added bits so it went into a triangle shape, pinched it together and started like twirling that to make it look like it had like a bag scrunched together. I feel like I could have done with a bit more of the UV gel clay, but this was the very last that I actually had left, or 2, making the fish a little bit smaller. I wanted it to look like a really chubby like little goldfish, kind of like pushing out the bag, and it does look like that, but yeah, I don't know, I think it's cute, but I still think I could have done a little bit better. Anyway, I cured that underneath my UV nail lamp like so, and then to make it even more see-through, I actually added a layer of UV resin on the top of that. This is basically to smooth out all of my fingerprints that I put in when obviously putting it all together and sculpting it together and pushing it around, and this just makes it clearer by taking out all of those fingerprints and all of the marks. So I just put that underneath the UV lamp to cure again for around about 7-8 minutes I think in total, and then took a little bit of string, tied that off because I thought the bag would actually look like it was tied, and that was pretty much it. That's all I did. Very simple, I know. I just love this little fish though. It's so cute. I will put some clips at the end of the video, by the way, of how it looked without the bag even more, because I just love it so much. There we go, look, there he is, all done. I just used him for tweezers, just to use him on my thumbnail there, but isn't he looking so cute? Usually I'd be mad about bubbles, but I think it kind of works with this one because it is supposed to be like in water. But yeah, there he is. Look how cute he is. I just love him. I will say he does look a little bit like a little turkey with his fins there, but you know, it is what it is. I really love him though. I think I'm going to call him Bobby. I think he's so cute. If you have any other names, then leave them down in the comments because I'd love to hear what you have to say. But I think this would be cute as a little charm. I could even put like a little lobster clasp back here and turn it into a charm, maybe even a little keychain. I don't know, I just really like it. For now I'm just going to keep it on my desk as a little desk pet. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in today. If you did like today's video, please do subscribe, like on your way out, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Bye.